Welcome to my second walkthrough of this amazing mansion. We're going to show you how this gold is done. We're going to show you a little bit about this stone paint. Here it is over here. I'll show you the outside of it. This stuff is amazing. And we're going to show you these guys doing this cement render outside as well. They take 2 hours per little design. It's about this big. Let's go have a look at them. Now it's quite a process having a look through once again. First time I filmed this mansion, the audio didn't work. Now we're back 2 months later. Check it out.
2 hours.
2 hours. Is that all?
Oh God, this is a lot here. You see?
2 hours. Oh yeah. Got the cabinets going in. Last time we were here, cabinets weren't in. Wow, looking good. Got the elevator. I'm finally back here, having a look through once again to look at the progress before none of this gold trimming was in. Look at the detail on that. Amazing. Now this stone paint. Last time I was here, really incredible. The whole thing gets coated. It's just such a good product. We're gonna make our way up, check out the whole building. Look at that. It's beautiful. Now it's quite a process to do this. That's it there. All of this timber work. That's the gold. Yeah, I was right. Last time I was here, I thought it's still got another coat to go on. Look at that for a staircase. We're going to check out the view from the top. Hopefully we can get back onto the roof. Looks like all the handrails are going to be coated again. Sanded back. Here we go. This is the gold going on. I wanted to see how you did that. I've actually never seen this go on before. I was wondering how they get it so neatly. Once he puts the glue on, then you can put the sheet of gold on, and then when you brush it away, he's cutting it in really neatly. When you brush it away, only the glued area holds the gold. So he's doing a nice clean job there. It's a long run. Let's head up the stairs here, see if we get on the roof. Maybe closed up, it's closed off. Unfortunately, I can't take you up there this time around, but I'll show you what it looks like up there when I was here last. Ask him if I can have a go. Can I have a go? Can I have a try? Then you get the brush, do a couple more, do a whole run. Try not to bunch it up too much. Like that, not good. Then you get the brush.
No.
No?
No.
Oh, okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
You break it.
All right, you give it a dab. Okay. Push it on. Beautiful. And that's it. That's how you put the gold trim on. Once that stone paint goes on, this is the clear protect. That's the clear protect. So glad I got to come back here and see the progress. It's getting there. And you can imagine how long this took. Is it they have their own business?
His father.
Oh, father son, eh?
Yeah, father and son.
Father and son. Well, that's it. That's the end of the tour. I hope you liked it. That is the Mega Mansion tour. If you like this video, please subscribe, drop a comment, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.